Hi!
Surprise!
Come in!
Hello!
Hello!
Line ba?
Ang cute!
Kumukuha na ako ng
You
shots.
can explore. Malaking bahay na, baka mawala kayo.
Sige, tour mo daw kami.
Yeah, wow! Welcome to our humble house. So this is already the dining room.
Ah.
And the...
Living.
sorry, living room. Ano ba yan? Living. Kasi naman excited.
Oo.
This is where we
Buti
usually...
pala we're not in pajamas. That's good.
So
This is
your
where we
living room.
usually do our cakes if we needed to. May table lang kami dyan, folding table, and that's really it because we have the TV.
Right.
Sa dining, walang TV.
Yung
So,
TV, and this is
yeah.
the TV.
That's Valerie's couch.
Dito ako.
Her favorite couch.
Dito siya.
So may kanya-kanya kayong
Yes.
We cannot be sitting together.
Oo, magulo siya eh.
couch. Siya talaga.
Magulo siya, so I need my space.
Okay. So,
Tapos dito yung side, marami dati dyan succulents. Naging apat na lang sila. Cake yun.
wow. Look at that.
Yes. So this is where I used to have a lot of succulents, but then they died one by one. I don't know why. I'm not doing anything. I'm trying not to overcare, but still they died one by one. So the remains are there. Yeah, I'm currently
So apart from
obsessed.
cakes, ito yung hinahawakan
Yeah,
mo.
I'm currently obsessed with succulents.
Ito yung mga awards.
This one you won Best Book Award. It's like Cake Oscars.
Wow.
Yeah, this is
This one is in Sagada.
yeah.
And then, obviously,
Greece.
Santorini, Auckland,
Yeah.
sa Milan. No.
Rome.
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 Hmm.
Vatican.
That's
This is
Doha.
the Vatican. Norway, Paris, Australia, and London.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's give them a tour of your humble
Well,
home.
ano pa ba? Well, this is our first,
Our latest
Ano naman
creation.
to?
our latest acrylic painting with, I'd say barley.
Parallel.
Yeah.
So, anong ginamit yung material?
Acrylic.
Acrylic
This is,
lang.
the black is acrylic. The floral details are made out of plaster of Paris mixed with
Acrylic colors.
acrylic colors and PVA. And then we just varnished.
This one is called Zentangles. It's Zentangle inspired design.
So, ito yung bag.
Kasi Christina eh. This is the dining.
area.
Yeah.
Dining.
So with our cake displays, some of our books, and these are some of the materials that we're going to do later.
Ooh. And those are your
Yes, some of our cakes are
2019 cakes.
Yeah,
2019 cakes.
for classes.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's our imprinting, stained glass, palette knife, stained glass again, and the beadwork. And this is inspired by the Tibulis Tinalak.
Philippines.
Yeah, marbling, flowers, cupcakes.
Nice.
We call this the cold room because it's always
It's always
here.
cold in this
The cold
room, so
room.
we don't stay in this room.
Cold room. And this is your enjoy your trophies. Ooh. So who thought of the logo of Queen of Hearts?
I did the logo.
You did
She
the
drew
logo.
it from she drew it from scratch.
From scratch.
Oh. Kung inspired by different silhouettes. Tapos, it wasn't like that before. It was yung cartoony Queen of Hearts na cards.
Yeah.
That was before. And then, she was holding a scepter with a cupcake. Parang ganon. And then, we evolved into more couture. So, we changed also the name Queen of Hearts Couture Cakes. And the silhouette was changed as well.
So why the choice of name? Why Queen of Hearts Couture Cakes? Why did you choose that name for your?
Yeah, it's because of the medium that we use. Kasi when you deal with buttercream, patience. Indeed, you cannot just say Queen of Patience or Queen of Love. So, or there's a recall as well. But let's just say Queen of Hearts. And then
And if you have the heart, you have the passion, and you have the patience din naman. So Queen of Hearts is just perfect. But it evolved from used to be Queen of Hearts, specialty cupcakes, edible bouquets, and more. Diba? Parang at iba pa. Ang dami. So we thought,
we just used to do cupcakes,
Yeah.
We only do cupcakes before because we thought anything bigger than that size of a cup of a cake is scary. It was scary. So we only introduced ourselves with cupcakes, and then we braved it. We went to cakes.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so
And
next
behind you is our mini garden.
Oh, look at the mini garden.
Usually once or twice trimmed whenever we have time.
So what's inside the shed? Yung mga
Ay,
supplies?
too many things.
Too many to mention.
Too many to mention.
Too many to mention.
Too many to mention.
Secret?
No, it's not secret. Basically, both shelves
Stocks.
are our stock rooms.
No, stop.
Yeah, because we
I
started.
try to keep the house looking like a house.
Yeah. Because otherwise, this used to be stock room. Yes. When our stocks for cake stands arrived, they're all piled up here, and so slowly they got sold, and so yung mga remains nandoon, and some of our other products, because we've already started having our own brands line of products.
Basically, a house is a house. So
At least now, yeah, it looks like a house.
Oh, sabi yung workplace, medyo different ng konti kasi nandito siya. But the supplies,
Yes, it's
Outside.
all
usually
outside.
there.
Ah, okay. Ayan, yan po ang kanilang shed. That's where they keep their stuff.
It's actually nice pag summer.
Oh.
And then, let's move to our kitchen. Our very
Ang ganda bahay namin.
cute kitchen.
So, saan kayo nagbe-bake? Sa kitchen or in
Here.
that room? Ah,
Here.
Okay.
So, this one, I like DIY. I'm a very DIY girl. So, I made this.
She's a
Well,
carpenter.
hindi ko naman ginawa ito. I didn't do this,
This island.
But it was my idea. This is supposed to be a bathroom
drawer.
cabinet, something
This
like
one.
that. Yeah, so this one is a bathroom cabinet. So I thought we need an island, a kitchen island, but it's so expensive to buy the kitchen island, and usually it's so big, but our kitchen is so small. So I thought we have to improvise. So this, we bought two. So it's back to back to have more room for drawers.
These
And
two
then-
as well.
Huh?
2 pieces as well.
Yeah, and this, and we thought, kasi if it's just one table, we bought it from IKEA. It's so cheap. It's like
Six pounds.
6 pounds, 7 pounds.
For
So we
each.
bought two so that it looks thicker. It matches the width of the bottom drawer, and put them together, glued it, and to look like marble, I put vinyl stickers.
So, what's
There you
inside
go.
the drawer?
Ay, naku!
Ayan, kung
madami,
merong,
madami
ano,
na show.
kung merong bag raid, dito tayo sa drawer raid.
Tiny clothes so frequently used.
You're not prepared.
Different
Ayan.
size of piping bags.
Ayan, may libre po kayong tour kung anong laman ng
Materials.
drawers.
Actually,
Queen of
it's
Hearts
good
Couture
to tour
Cakes.
them sa hidden cabinet mo.
Hidden cabinet.
Ay, gusto nila makita.
Yeah.
Some cupcake wrappers.
And then
This
some
one,
more
ayun. Mga
mixes.
supplies.
Oo.
Yeah.
Mali mo,
So
may
these
sparkle
are
to
baking,
cater on.
this side, mga baking
side.
materials.
Baking side.
And then this side here,
Another side.
it's
The
for
magulo side.
the Filipino side.
The Filipino side.
So we have here sinigang mixes.
Ah,
Of
Ano ba?
course.
ingredients.
And then all plastic
And
bags,
bin bags.
neatly,
And
more bags. onions.
There you go.
And then,
And this is
More
chichirya.
Filipino stuff.
ayun, Filipino stocks, dito tayo.
Yeah, that's our
Tada!
Filipino.
Wow! Ay, hindi kayo mahilig sa cheese. For
Yeah.
baking ba yan?
No, I love, that's my snack.
That's your snack.
I have siya on its own. I love
Ayan,
it.
meron na kayong nalaman about the girls. They love cheese.
I love eating cheese.
And the corned beef.
And this
she
one
loves
here, kung alam ko lang, nilinis ka sana, di ba?
that. I know.
That's all the flowers.
Kung merong bag
By the
raid
way,
ang iba,
guys,
ito tayo.
We are not
Oo,
prepared.
cabinet raid.
These are
Oo.
different kinds of sugar, different kinds of coffees and teas.
Ah.
And And then cooking.
Cooking supplies.
This is funny. This is a funny drawer. Whatever color of rice that you like. You have white rice, brown rice, black rice, chocolates.
A chocolate.
Ganache. And those were sake cups, collection of my mom. I just brought them all here. She used to collect all this different sake cups, very unique. Each of them she's acquired through her travels. And she's not displaying, so sabi ko, akin na lang.
Show your hidden cabinet.
Ayan, tara.
She's got a secret cabinet.
Secret cabinet. Hindi na siya magiging secret ngayon kasi
I cannot get in actually. Siya lang ang may access.
Ayan, madami pang mga kung ano-ano. Wow, I know. So, all the black storage, mga stocks pa din siya. And then, some piping that, let me show the
And then have
piping
20 pieces of tripods.
I know, I have so many tripods. 1 tripod, 2 tripods, 3, 4, mga 5 yata. 5? Yeah.
Her lights, her green
Yeah,
background.
lights there, green background, that.
Oh, pati yoga mat.
Yeah, yoga mat that
Which we haven't used.
never used. Hardly used. Yan, tapos our colors. And this is how we store our piping tips. Ayan, o, diba? Yes. So so we use just a normal toolbox. Yeah.
Improvise.
Yeah, so just a normal toolbox from hardware.
Which you ladies will learn how to use eventually.
Siyempre sa mga gustong mag-start ng baking, kailangan na malaman yun.
No, I'm talking about you, guys.
Ay, oo nga pala.
And some of our colors. These are our own colors. We are launching soon.
Your own colors.
Yes,
explain.
a line of colors. Yeah. So because very essential for buttercream is food coloring paste.
That's